Let's go ahead and take our parabola, which starts out at a height of 2 and curves up to the right. That's what we have over here in purple. Our y equals 2, that's our horizontal line here in orange. And that's also what we're revolving it around, so that's why it's in orange. And then we also have x equals 1. That's our blue dotted line right here. So we need to take our area, which is bound by all those curves, needs to be revolved around the horizontal line of y equals 2. So it's going to be kind of like a point right here and then kind of a round circle on this end here. Now if we go ahead and take a look at that, we can see that it's really this shape over here on the left. And we're going ahead and we're taking that and we're slicing it up and down, and we're getting these discs, and we're pretty much finding the volume of these discs. So let's go ahead and try to find our volume here. Since it's a horizontal axis of revolution, we need to be dealing with y, so we're going to have, or I said y, sorry about that, we're going to be dealing with x's. So we're going to have x's here. So our bounds need to be our x's. We're starting out for our shaded at 0 going over to 1. So our bounds are going to be from 0 to 1. Then we need to go ahead and take a look at our slices. We're actually slicing it up and down. So it's going from here up to here. So we need to take what's on top minus what's on the bottom. What's on top is our function in purple, which is that x squared plus 2. But then we've got to go ahead and subtract what's on the bottom. Here, what's on the bottom is our y equals 2, so we need to subtract 2. Now, we didn't have to subtract on the earlier ones because we were always going to the axis, and that's subtracting 0 and doesn't change it. So in this case, we can go ahead and simplify this. The 2 undoes the minus 2. And so then we have our x squared all squared, which is really just our x to the 4th. Then we can do our integration by increasing our exponent by 1, plug in 1 minus what we get when we plug in 0, and then we get our answer of pi over 5.